Hello viewers and welcome back once again to my cooking channel. And today I have come with one of my most favorite dishes, that is Punjabi Baigan ka Bharta, which is an authentic dish of North India, mostly in Haryana and Punjab side. This delicious Baigan ka Bharta is a part of daily meal in most of the Punjabi houses. I have taken a bigger size of eggplant, that is brinjal, and I have made 4 to 5 cuts in this way all over the brinjal. I am going to roast this brinjal straight away on the stove. Let's apply some mustard oil all over the brinjal. If you don't make cuts on the brinjal, there is a chance of exploding. That's why it's good to make cuts 4 sides on the brinjal. I have kept a grill on the stove and directly I have placed the brinjal over it in medium flame. We have to roast it in this way, turning the brinjal in regular intervals. It takes 15 to 20 minutes to roast the whole brinjal. Now you can see that the brinjal is very well roasted. Now let's take off the brinjal from the stove and keep it in a plate. In similar way, let's roast 2 medium-sized tomatoes also. The main purpose of roasting these brinjals and tomato is to get the authentic and the smoky flavor of Baigan ka Bharta. Without roasting also you can make the bharta by just cutting the brinjal, but you will not get the exact and the authentic flavor of the bharta. So this is the exact way how people of the Punjabi villages make the authentic bharta. Now I am removing the skin of both the brinjal and the tomatoes. You can easily remove because it's already roasted. Now let's cut the stem part of the brinjal and make small pieces out of it. Let's cut into smaller pieces. For tomatoes also we have to cut. Believe me, if you roast and make the bharta in this way, you will just love the flavor of it. Now I have cut the tomatoes also. Now I have added one small boiled and mashed potato to it. Adding potato is very optional. Even you can skip it. But the combination of tomato, potato and brinjal together gives the extraordinary flavor to the bharta. Now let's prepare the tempering for it. Adding 3 tablespoons of refined oil to a kadhai. Adding 2 bay leaves and 1 spoon of whole jeera and 1 chopped green chili and 1 medium sized chopped onion. Let's saute the onion well until it turns little golden. Now adding 1 full teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. For tempering also you can use mustard oil. I am making it in refined oil, but the authentic taste comes when you make it with mustard oil. Now I am adding our mashed mixture of brinjal, potato and tomato. Let's give a good mix now. Adding dry masalas like turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, amchur powder, garam masala powder, little bit of jeera powder. Let's give a good mix now. If you want, you can add little bit of chaat masala also. I am adjusting the salt. Let's add a very little quantity of water just to give a perfect consistency to the bharta. Now the bharta is cooking. Little bit of kasuri methi crushed I am adding to it. This kasuri methi adds extra flavor to the gravy. Finally adding chopped coriander leaves. Just give a good mix now and that's all. Our super delicious Punjabi Baigan ka bharta is ready to be enjoyed. It goes excellent with fulka, puri, naan, or ordinary roti also. See you soon in my next video with one more interesting recipe. Thank you so much for watching.